Good night. This is my activity. Unit 1, Phase 2, Strategic Diagnostic. My name is Adriana Lazo. This is Diagram Structure Strategic Management. General description of Airbnb. Airbnb is a company that offers a digital platform dedicated to offering accommodation to individuals and tourists through which hosts can advertise and contract the lease. It is a company that started work in 2008. This company management to innovate in the lodging market, making able to face the advertising presented using the different technological and creativity tools. It allows saving in lodging expenses for the tourist who wishes to use it, with the advantage that it is a website which can be consulted at any time and place. You can find a place to stay that is comfortable. It really has changed the world of hosting. Description in the hand-drawn diagram according to the problem faced by Airbnb. In the diagram, this is student name, Adriana Lazo, cast name, Airbnb case, date 3 March, problem definition, login net, within your management strategy, cause need to earn money offering the service, tourists in search of cheap and comfortable lodging that provides an experience to remember the visited seat. Consequence, business idea of their accommodation, generation of the platform that seeks to connect travelers with city hosts who rent their place of residence as lodging, providing a reliable service in a simple way and covering a need. Thank you.